welcome back to my channel Iktaindians. Today I am going to share with you one of the most popular, extremely delicious fish recipe, Bengali style olive Barb fish curry, in Bengali Shor Putir Jhal. This authentic Bengali fish curry recipe is just awesome with hot rice. If you are a fish lover, this is a must-try recipe. This recipe also loved by beginners. I am sure you will love this recipe very much. So let's start the recipe. Here I take 3 pieces olive Barb fish, that is Shor Puti Macher, which I cut in the middle and wash them properly. After clean them properly, I coat all the fishes with half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon turmeric powder and rest them for 15 minutes for well marination. Here I also take 1 tablespoon black mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon white mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon poppy seeds, and 2 green chilies and 2 dried red chilies. Now I put all these ingredients into my grinder to make a smooth fine paste. This is the smooth fine paste of black and white mustard seeds with chilies, and the smooth fine paste of poppy seeds, and 1 medium sized sliced tomato, and 1 teaspoon black cumin seeds, and 4 slit green chilies. Now I heated sufficient mustard oil into a pan. When the oil is heated sufficiently, then I am adding all the marinated fishes one by one into the pan. Now I flip them very carefully and fry the both sides of the fishes properly, but don't over fry them. Now I take out the fried fishes from the pan and keep them aside. Then I am going to fry all the fishes one by one in the batches and keep them aside. Now I use the same remaining oil and add 1 teaspoon black cumin seeds into the hot oil and saute it for a few seconds. Then I am adding 1 medium sized sliced tomato and saute it for a few seconds. After that, I am adding the smooth fine paste of mustard seeds into the pan and mix it very well. Then I am adding the smooth fine paste of poppy seeds into the pan and mix it well and fry it for a few seconds. Now I am adding little amount of water into the pan, otherwise masala may burn. After that, I am adding 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder into the pan and mix it properly. Then I am adding 1 teaspoon red chili powder into it and again I give it a good mix. Then I am adding 3 tablespoons fresh beaten yogurt into it and give it a nice mix. Add chili and salt according to your taste. Now I am going to fry the spices until the masala starts leaving oil. Oil has surfaced. Now I am going to add sufficient warm water into the pan and mix all the things very well. Then I add 4 slit green chilies into it and then I cook it 10 to 15 minutes on high flame. After 15 minutes, I add all the fried fishes one by one into the pan very carefully and mix them nicely. Then again I cook it for 5 to 10 minutes on medium to high flame. Now I lower the flame and add chopped fresh coriander leaves into it and give it a nice mix. Now I turn off the gas and finally the fish curry is ready to serve. I serve it with hot rice. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like my today's most popular, extremely delicious, authentic Bengali fish curry recipe, Shor Putir Jhal, which I prepare in very simple and easy way and use all the ingredients which are easily available at your home. You must try this recipe. It will be a nice treat for your family. I need your support, so please like and share my recipe and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also send your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section of my video for the betterment of my channel. I will see you soon in my next video with some new recipe. Till then, be safe, be healthy and enjoy cooking. Bye bye.